Hi there, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the remote training dog collar by the company Roffie, R-O-F-F-I-E. Model number is TC20. As with all my videos, I like doing this unboxing video in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and just wants to get an unboxing video, see what it looks like when it comes in, what the quality is like. So this company does have a 24-month warranty. They supposedly have VIP customer service, but for a 2-year warranty, I figured why not try it and give it a chance. Let's open it up and see what we've got. Again, there's the 2-year warranty card. I bought this because they have a pretty big discount going on right now on this model. The instruction manual. Like this is the color, the remote. Wow, the remote is very nice. It's got a nice feel to it over here, and then kind of a glass plastic top. Now the remote, you need to keep dry. It is not waterproof. The collar is waterproof. Couple of items in here. Charging cord. Charging cord is going to be both for the remote and for the collar that we will be seeing shortly. This is a test light tool. So what you can do with this is you can actually test your collar to see that it's working without having to vibrate your shock yourself to test it. So this will let you know that the collar is working without having to try it on yourself or on your animal. And some metal contact points. And the collar itself. Now the collar is waterproof. I believe you need to charge it for up to 4 hours before the first use, and then after that it's 2 to 3 hours to get a full charge. Looks to be nice quality. Has a charging port as I mentioned before. It's going to take the same charge cord as the remote will. It is suitable for small dogs. It's not really designed for aggressive dogs or larger animals. It's got 3 different functions on it: a shock, beep, or vibration. You can use any 3 of those. And I believe there's 16 different levels that you can set within this collar. The range is up to 1,000 feet or 330 yards. So that's a quick unboxing. I hope that helps.